Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a hyaluronic acid gel, and this is from the brand Hyalu Gel. Hyaluronic acid, this naturally occurs in our body, and this is mostly found in our connective tissues, our skin and eyes. This acid is known for the ability to retain moisture. So this is a popular ingredient in skincare products because of its hydration and anti-aging properties. And also hyaluronic acid is sometimes used in medical procedures such as wrinkles and joint lubrication. This 30 grams of product retails for 270 rupees. This has hyaluronic acid and this is going to help your skin in extreme ways. This is going to hydrate your skin by retaining moisture, and also this is going to make your skin look very plump. Anti-aging, of course, as this is going to increase your skin's elasticity, that means you'll be getting less wrinkles. This also makes your skin look very soft and smooth. Hyaluronic acid has soothing properties, so this is a very good product for sensitive or acne prone skin. This is also suitable for all skin types, like this is suitable for dry skin people that we all know, but this is suitable for oily skin people as well. As this gives lightweight hydration, so this makes a very good deal for oily skin people. Also, this controls the sebum production on face because oily skin people do have a lot of sebum on face, so this kind of controls that as well. This is a non-comedogenic product, so this is not going to clog your pores. So this is good for oily skin people, this is good for acne prone skin people, this is good for sensitive skin people as well. This gel has a very lightweight texture, so you won't feel that you have applied something heavy on your face. There is no certain age to start using hyaluronic acid, but I would suggest you to start it if you are in your late teens or early 20s, because the sooner the better, because once we hit a certain age, the hyaluronic acid present in our bodies, it starts to decrease and you start seeing fine lines around your eyes or corner of your mouth, etc. So the sooner the better, I would say. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. This has no fragrance, nothing, and this is the texture of the gel. No fragrance at all. Now, how to apply this? There are basically two ways to apply this. First is like you can apply this as a base on your face, like today I did that. Before applying my makeup or any lotion or cream, I applied this on my face, like I just rubbed it on my face. And second option is that you can apply a thin layer of this before bedtime. So this gel will get the entire night to work properly on your skin, and in the morning you can wake up with nice plumpy glowing skin. And also hyaluronic acid gel, as I already told you, is very good for people who have acne prone skin, because this is not going to clog your pores, this is not going to make your acne worse. In fact, this is going to control all the bacteria and sebum you'll be having in that acne prone area. So this is very good for every skin type. I'm repeating myself, but this is good for every skin type, I would say. So yes, this is a very important ingredient for your skincare, and I would urge you to buy this and try this. I'm sure you're going to love this. You can click the link in the description box, that will directly take you to the product, and yes, do give this a try. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.